If you've been looking for a way into South Walkerville, this one deserves your attention. Located just minutes from the hospital, close to everyday amenities, shopping, restaurants, and transit, this is a highly practical location. That's not just convenient, that's strategic. This is a 2-bedroom home, 1-bath, semi-detached home with over 900 square feet of living space and a full basement. Entry-level ownership in one of Windsor's most established neighborhoods. If you're a first-time buyer, this is your opportunity to step into the market and start building equity instead of paying rent. And if you're an investor, being this close to the hospital means strong rental potential, healthcare staff, students, long-term tenants. Location drives demand. This home isn't pretending to be fully renovated. It's positioned as an opportunity. And your finishing touches create value. Make it yours. South Walkerville, great location, real potential. Reach out if you want the details.